Hello students of class 6. Today we will continue the chapter An Ice Enveloped Continent, already done part 1, and today we will start from page 49, that is Life in Antarctica. You know that Antarctica is the world's coldest continent. Temperature there is very low. During winter the temperature becomes minus 40 to minus 75 degree Celsius, and Antarctica is also known as white continent because snow and ice covers the continent. So here we will read about the life or the plant and biotic life, both plant and animal life of Antarctica. The climate of Antarctica is not conducive. Conducive means not suitable for the growth of vegetation. Freezing temperature, poor soil, lack of sunlight and moisture inhibits plant growth. Underline. What inhibits the growth of plant in Antarctica? Temperature is low, poor soil quality, lack of sunlight and moisture. Only during the summer when the ice melts during summer, when temperature somehow increases to about minus 28 to minus 38 degrees Celsius, there some trees, some plants like mosses, lichens, fungi, etc. grow in the coastal area. There are about 100 species of mosses in Antarctica. Underline, there are about 100 species of mosses in Antarctica. Antarctica is a frozen continent. Snow and ice rule all over the continent. The typical land animal or the flightless bird of Antarctica is penguin. Apart from that, there are many small and marine organisms. Among them, krill is very important. Krill means the small red shrimps. Small red shrimps are called krill. They are present there. Penguins are flightless aquatic birds who can swim well. Okay. Next, go to next page. The largest living species is the emperor penguin. Emperor penguin, about 3 feet 7 inch tall and weight about 35 kg. The smallest penguin species is the little blue penguin, which is 16 inch tall and weight about 1 kg. The body of the penguin is covered by black and white waterproof feathers. They have thick fat belly under their skin to keep them protect from the chilly weather. Please underline, this is very interesting. See how they keep their body warm, because they have fat layer under their skin, and that fat helps to keep their body warm in that cold weather condition. The migratory birds of Antarctica are gulls, skua, petrel, etc. They are migratory birds. So what are migratory birds? Migratory birds means the birds who migrate from one place to another. The sea around Antarctica is full of marine creatures. Krill occurs. There are other fishes like cod, herring, sardine, etc. Now, explorations in Antarctica. Explorations means how people come to know about this continent. Means initially how this continent was invented. Means people discovered this continent. The Antarctic Treaties, underline, very important. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959 by 12 countries, has now got 49 members all over the world. By this treaty, mineral mining, military activities, nuclear explosions are all avoided, prohibited in this continent. No one can do mining activities, military activities, nuclear explosions in Antarctica. Only the continent is used for scientific purposes or to maintain the ecological balance. Several expeditions were made. Expeditions means several launches. People gathered for several explorers went to Antarctica to gather information for the continent. After the discovery of America by Christopher Columbus, the exploration in the south begins. By the systematic exploration for South Pole started in 1775. Captain James Cook first reached Antarctica with his ship evoking ice pack and iceberg. He had left no stone unturned to reach there. The first landing on Antarctica was done by John Davis in West Antarctica in 1821. An exploration team by Norwegian polar explorer Roald Amundsen became the first person to reach Antarctica in South Pole in 14th December 1919. He had to overcome chilly and stormy weather, large hollows on the ice, and other adverse conditions to reach South Pole. After a few days, Captain Scott, who actually reached Antarctica for the first time, he reached Antarctica, but there beforehand, the Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen already explored the continent, and he has placed the flag of Norway there. And after reaching there, Captain Scott, his heart was broken because he found that already person from Norway reached there. So he returned from there, and afterwards he during his return journey he died in the domain of snow. Very pathetic. He cannot he was actually he started first, but he cannot reach there, and Roald Amundsen reached there, and he became the first person to reach Antarctica. Okay, so this is our second part of this chapter, Antarctica. We will continue from page 51 in our third video. Thank you, class.